Here we come to the elevator at Fort Bend Community Church in Building 3, Missouri City, Texas. This is your newer Otis Series 2, manual resistant, installed in 2013. Watch what it lights up when I press that button. That's right. Autism Awareness Month, light it up blue. Let's close the door and we'll get a cab view. This is your standard modern install. I've already seen countless of those already. Particularly modern elevators in general. I've already seen hundreds of them, or thousands at least. Here's your LCD indicator display, light it up blue. There's your surface mounted COP, inspection certificate. We will take this thing on a ride. Listen to the motor, here we go. Mirror 2. We'll go outside and ring the bell. So you have to wait till the door shuts in order to get the indicator to light up. See, watch what happens when I press the button with the doors propped open. See? It doesn't work. So you have to wait till the door starts closing first and then hit the button that lights up the bell. We'll go down to 1. And this time, watch the button go out and we'll take it for one more ride. You see that blue right there? Watch the button go out. And it levels nicely too. Alright, we'll close the door back up. Door close button, I don't think it works, honestly. Anyways, just a quick announcement. I'm sorry I've not been uploading much lately. I've been very busy with school, and like I said, I don't typically film modern elevators like these anymore because there's nothing special, but the reason I'm doing this new Otis is because it's Autism Awareness Month, and also another thing, I have ran out of contents to upload, so I decided why I come in here and film this elevator for you guys. So anyways, let this elevator serve lighted up blue for autism. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll get out of the elevator and watch the door close. We'll try to light up the indicator. It didn't stay on for long, but there it goes. And that's it.